Okay, let's talk about a new way to do SOPs, one your team will actually use.
Because let's face it, most SOPs are just dense walls of text that are almost impossible to follow.
Yeah, does this look familiar? This kind of thing just leads to slow training and more mistakes.
But what if you could change all that? Well, modern AI tools offer a powerful solution. Let's dive in.
These tools can read your docs and automatically generate clear, visual guides. It's kind of like magic.
So first up, let's look at formats that make learning these processes way faster and easier. First is the infographic. It's such a fantastic way to condense a whole procedure down. With this, your team gets everything they need to know, all in a single, quick glance. AI can also whip up a slide deck, breaking a process into really easy-to-teach chunks.
And boom, you've got a complex workflow broken down into a simple, learnable sequence.
What about video? Well, AI can generate short explainer videos straight from your documents.
This is perfect for prepping an employee right before they tackle a task for the very first time.
Okay, but what about processes that aren't a simple, straight line? You know, the really complex stuff.
For those, a mind map is an incredible tool. It's perfect for processes with multiple paths.
This clarifies how the process is organized before they learn the steps for each branch. So the difference is pretty clear, right? You're going from text people ignore to visuals they'll use.
Bottom line, using AI visuals like this saves time and really cuts down on mistakes. This is about more than just documents. It's a whole new way to share knowledge with your team.
So what's the first process you're going to transform? Think about your most confusing one.